front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Start by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you need to scroll and use all of those icons at the top right corners of all of those categories. First one is colors, to check out all available themes. When you find perfect one for you, you need to tap on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and tap on apply. So when I do that, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. But now we can finally go to my favorite part, which is customizing your theme. Go to the same settings, tap on this plus under my themes, and tap on a photo you want to apply as your new keyboard's background. Then pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. This time, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. To manage all of your themes, go back to the same settings one more time and access them here. To delete one, tap on it, use button icon at the top and hit yes in the pop-up. To edit one of your custom ones, click on it, choose this pen next to bin icon and make your changes. Then tap on next, hit save, and remember to tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!